Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a way to make money online and you're just getting started, this video is for you. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make money with free PLR ebooks for beginners. PLR stands for private label rights, which means that you can use and sell these ebooks as your own. There are thousands of PLR ebooks available for free on the internet, and we'll show you how to use them to make money from home. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Finding free PLR ebooks. The first step to making money with PLR ebooks is finding free ones to use. You can do this by simply searching for free PLR ebooks on Google. There are many websites that offer free PLR ebooks, such as ProSassin.com, MasterResaleRights.com, and ReselleRightsWeekly.com. Once you've found a free PLR ebook that you want to use, you need to make sure that it's of good quality. Read through the ebook and make sure that it's informative, well-written, and valuable to your target audience. Step 2. Editing and customizing the ebook. Once you've found a good quality PLR ebook, you need to edit and customize it to make it your own. This involves changing the title, cover image, and adding your own personal touches to the content. You can use free software like Canva to create a new cover for the ebook. You can also add your own personal stories, images, and examples to make the ebook more unique and valuable. Step 3. Setting up a sales page. Now that you've customized the ebook, it's time to set up a sales page. You can do this by using a website builder like WordPress or Wix. You'll need to create a landing page that showcases the ebook, provides a brief summary, and includes a call to action. Make sure that the sales page is visually appealing and easy to navigate. You should also include customer testimonials and reviews to increase the credibility of the ebook. Step 4. Marketing the ebook. Once you've set up the sales page, it's time to start marketing the ebook. You can do this by promoting the ebook on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also reach out to bloggers and influencers in your niche to promote the ebook. Make sure that you're targeting the right audience with your marketing efforts. If the ebook is about weight loss, for example, you should be targeting people who are interested in health and fitness. Step 5. Selling the ebook. The final step is to sell the ebook. You can do this by offering it for sale on your website or through a third-party platform like Amazon or Gumroad. Make sure that the price is reasonable and competitive with similar products in your niche. There you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to make money with free PLR ebooks for beginners. Remember, it's important to find good quality PLR ebooks, customize them to make them unique, and market them to the right audience. If you're interested in learning more about how to make money online, click the link in the description to see the best way to make money from home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.